Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, we want to present secondary storage. Secondary storage has many types like hard disk, USB, memory card, and more. Secondary storage devices are used to save file, backup file, and transfer file from computer to another. For example, you want to transfer the file from to others' computer, so you must to using the USB for transfer the file easily and quickly. Data storage has expanded from text and numeric file to include digital music file, photographic file, and video file. They have similarities to output and input device. Like output device, secondary storage device receive information from the system unit in the form of the machine language of 0 second and 1 second. Rather than translating the information, secondary storage device save the information in machine language. Like input device, secondary storage device send information to the system unit for processing the information because it is already in machine from thus do not to be translated. It is sent directly to memory, its core RAM, where it can be accessed or and processed by the CPU. Next, Next is device use. Device use is a piece of equipment made for a particular purpose, especially a mechanical or technical one. So, as we already know, we have a few types of device such as input device, output device, storage device, and mobile device. For this cloud storage, we more focus on mobile devices such as smartphone, tablets, and laptop. So, here is the advantage of cloud storage in the use of the device. Firstly, it can help to reducing the risk of virus. The use of cloud storage is very good because it can help to prevent our device from being infected with a virus, as we know viruses are very dangerous to our device because it will cause the data inside the device to be affected. Secondly, cloud storage is very easy to use because user can access all the materials that has been stored into the cloud storage to another device. This make this can make it easier for users to send information to another device anytime and anywhere. Lastly, it is it is safe to use. This is because when a user wants to access to their cloud storage account, they need to enter their password first. So, this can prevent the information in our cloud storage from being freely and open to others. Next, definition of media. Media is a communication outlet or tool used to store and deliver information or data. There are many types of media can you get such as social network, media sharing network, and discussion forum. In this slide, I have given example of the type of media that can store data in a device. Among them is that Google Drive. Google Drive is a free service that designed for everyone who wants to save picture or document. This document and picture can be stored properly and securely. Next, iCloud. iCloud is specially designed by Apple as an online service to its device only. iCloud can be used to store all backup service and email accounts. This also allows you to share data between devices such as iPhone, iPad, and MacBook. Lastly, Google Photos is a photo sharing and storage service developed by Google. The service automatically analyzes photo and in identifying various visual features and subjects. Users can share anything in photo with the service returning results for the three major categories: people, place, and things. Cloud storage company. There are some companies that use cloud storage as part of its service. For instance, iCloud is cloud storage and cloud computing from Apple Incorporated. The same for Google Drive is owned by Google Incorporated and so forth. So here are some logos design. Next, industry that have been adopted to cloud storage as following: financial. A major concern in this industry when it comes to the cloud is security. But cloud solutions allow you to have encrypted information and tightly controlled credentials for confidential data. Tighter security in place enable financial businesses to explore the ease of completing everyday tasks like customer billing and interaction. Secondly, automotive. With the cloud, automotive company can store inventory and additional data in one easily accessible location. As an industry that relies heavily on the constant availability of data, customer will be more satisfied if you can share for a specific car or car park only. Car park quickly. Education. Lastly, education. Education is generally restricted by tight funding situation, a problem that the cloud can directly alleviate. Schools that have access to cloud solutions allow students to access the information they need all in one place, such as important notification and assignment. Next, and lastly, private cloud storage is a cloud that is allocated for random cloud service through supervisory service built from the infrastructure in the company's data center with the aim of improving the security and speed of data access as well as support of other cloud storage. Public storage. Public cloud storage is a type of cloud that is rented from a service provider that provides cloud storage and can manage the entire source of management data to that cloud, usually unstructured. Hybrid cloud storage is a cloud that combines public and private. Private cloud will be replaced to store important data and public cloud will be used to store data achieved. Community cloud storage is a variation of the private cloud storage model, which offers cloud solutions for specific business or communities. In this model, cloud storage providers offer their cloud architecture, software, other development tools to meet the requirement of the community. Any data is stored on the community-owned private cloud storage to manage the community security and compliance needs. That's all about our presenting, and thank you. Assalamualaikum.